So before we begin, let's do the To the Moon Soon coming from yours truly.
To the moon soon and double shit to the moon soon.
And of course, guys, I would like to ask a small favor from you. So if you want your name to be included in my shout out next week, so all you have to do is to watch this video, leave a like, and post a comment. Or once I have tweeted this video on my official Twitter account, so all you have to do is to like, retweet, and leave a comment. So either way, if you do that, I will include you in my shout outs for next week. So guys, spread the word to show some love and support for newscrypto.io. Anyways, let's get started. So what's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomadviewer, and we're back once again for another video. So last time, I did share to you on getting excited about Mercury Trade, in which the early access beta version is coming soon. But right now, it's already live, guys. So last time, I did mention that Mercury Trade early access beta version can be accessed from August 1 to 7th of 2022. So as of this time in recording this video, so we still have a few days left before the early beta access version is going to close. So the early access beta version of Mercury Trade by newscrypto.io, of course, this is not yet the final version of it, because guys, before they're going to release in public, they need our feedback, as users and traders, about the experience that we have in using the copy trading platform of Mercury Trade by newscrypto. So you may wonder, how come that Mercury Trade is a copy trading platform in which they didn't have their own exchange? Same thing goes to newscrypto. So the good thing is that they are using an API key of a top-tier exchange for it to work right here on Mercury Trade. And I'm going to show you right here in this video, as well as on how are we going to set up our account for Mercury Trade. And of course, if you want to have a brief information about Mercury Trade, so either you could go to mercurytrade.io, or you can watch my previous video about it that I have provided right here on my YouTube description. Now guys, without further ado, so let's get started. So in order for you to get started with Mercury Trade, so you need to click the login button, and then you just have to sign up for a free account. And then you have to verify your email address for you to start having access in the Mercury Trade copy trading platform by newscrypto.io. Now let's go to the dashboard. You could see right here, guys, this is my profile. So I've already set my username. And of course, you could see on the upper right. So this is a progress that we have, for the 24-hour profit and loss. Okay, so you can set it right here for 24 hours, 1 week, or 1 month. And of course, you could see the notifications, and you can switch from light to dark. But yes, I prefer the dark one. And of course, guys, let's check out the security setting. So for now, guys, we have the password and the two-factor authentication. So it's better for you guys not to just stick to password alone, so that your account won't be compromised. So it's better for you to enable two-factor authentication by just simply having a Google Authenticator app. And then you just have to scan the QR code for you to enable it. So make sure that you save your secret key. Now, here comes the interesting part, in which I have mentioned that Mercury Trade or newscrypto.io doesn't have their own crypto exchanges. But why is it that they have a copy trading platform, in which we will go right here to connect an exchange, in which we will be copy and pasting an API key. So if I go right here to connect an exchange, so you could see right here, guys, we could choose our exchange, either Binance Futures or Binance Spot. So for instance, I choose Binance Futures. And if you have no clue on how are you going to set up your API key and your API secret key, So they have a tutorial right here on how to create an API. So you could see the step-by-step process on how are we going to do it. So this is applicable if you are using a desktop. But the question is, what if I don't have a desktop or laptop? I only have a mobile phone. So don't you worry, guys. So they got you covered. So here's a blog post from Smart Trader on how to create an API with your mobile app. So they have a step-by-step process and it's very easy as well. Okay, so once you have followed all of the step-by-step process, whether if you're using a desktop, laptop, or mobile, so it generates you an API key and an API secret key. So if we go back right here, guys, so once you have the API key and the API secret key, all you have to do is to copy and paste them and then click connect. And once you do that, it will appear right here below. That means to say that you are already connected and you are good to go. And of course, when it comes to the subscription, so I'm going to read it right here, and I quote, "Here you can view and manage your USDT balance, which is used for subscriptions for copying traders. The balance here is used solely for subscriptions." And here's a note, very important, guys. Any trades made on your account by traders you're copying will be executed on the exchange account that you connected and not with your USDT balance on Mercury. And of course, when it comes to deposit and withdrawal, so it says to deposit USDT to your account, send it to the following address and make sure that you select the Tron TRC20 network. And of course, for withdrawal, so all you have to do is to copy and paste your TRC20 USDT address right here and the amount that you wish to withdraw. Now, let's go right here. I am going to click this one. So you could see the traders list. Okay, so you may notice when you're going to register an account for the first time, there are two types of accounts, user and trader. So for instance, these guys right here, they have registered as traders. So they are the ones that we are going to copy. So you could see the stats right here, guys. Okay, so let's say for example, I want to choose AJ Nelio. So you could see his profile. You could see his links on TradingView, Telegram, Twitter, and YouTube. And of course, you could see his close positions, the total profit and loss rate, and of course the subscription fee, of course the 50 USDT. So in order for you to copy this trader, you need to have a minimum amount of 50 USDT to be deposited right here on your account. And you can see his rank, the total open positions, and of course you could see his description. So once again, if you want to copy this person, the subscription fee is 50 USDT. So this is the minimum. So let's try to check out the others right here, guys. I'm going to scroll down. What about Alexander _ Oleg? So I am going to click on this one. So his subscription fee is a little bit less than the first one. So you only need 25 USDT for it. But of course, his total profit and loss rate is much more lower than the first guy. Okay, so this is what he declared: long, short. Yes, you can see all of his close positions. So if you are confident to copy this guy, so make sure that you have 25 USDT minimum and then click copy. So the same thing applies for the other traders that you want to copy. Okay, so it's totally up to you on which trader that you want to copy right here on Mercury Trade by newscrypto.io. So for me, peeps, I think this is a brilliant idea. You know, despite that Mercury Trade and newscrypto didn't have their own crypto exchange platform, or not calling themselves as crypto exchanges, but with the Binance API, anything is possible and it's totally out of the box. So all you have to do is to deposit some USDT and then start copy trading. You just have to choose which of these traders that you are so comfortable to copy. Okay, however, guys, the early access beta of Mercury Trade will only last until August 7th of 2022. So guys, don't miss this opportunity to become one of the early testers of Mercury Trade by newscrypto.io. So I provided all of the source links right here on my YouTube description, especially on how are we going to create an API on Binance for both desktop and mobile. So if you think that this video is so helpful, kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic about crypto trading, whether if it's spot, futures, margin, copy, and so on. So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about this video that I have for you today? Do let me know right here in the comment section. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.